Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use camera shortcuts on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to use camera shortcuts, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your camera and then go for settings. In settings, select more settings in the top right corner, and then you'll get the setting of quick action for camera. You must have to enable this first and then read the description, which is double press the volume down button to launch camera when the screen is off. So as soon as the screen will be off, you can easily launch your camera by double pressing the volume down button. So let's try this. You just have to lock your screen and then just double press your volume down button just like this, and your camera will be launched. So that's how you can easily use camera shortcuts on Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.